Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana and today I want to talk about 3 things that you can do to increase the traffic to your website. So those things are content. Let's come here to content. I look at your website and it's looking really nice. Actually, love the videos and the way it interacts. All of the links to your social media accounts, so very easy to navigate. It has click to call buttons. One thing I did look at is that it has 419 words. When I look at your competitors, so EasyGrass, they have 1,000 words, and Best Miami Turf, they have 427 words. And Google likes content to rank you at the top. So that's an easy fix. Just throw in there more words. Let's look at starting at 1,500 words so that Google can start ranking you. Now, the way I came across your company was because I type in here artificial turf Miami and I saw your Google ads. So a keyword is anything that someone is actually typing in Google when they want to buy services or products, okay? So the first section is the Google Ads section, and the Google Ads section are able to drive good traffic. The flip side is that a lot of people actually turn off the ads on their browsers, and some people just skip them and go straight into the Google My Business profile. The Google My Business profile is having a huge impact on businesses because they are able to drive 40% of the traffic. And to rank at the top, you need 3 elements. You need reviews, and you need to outbid your competition in the number of reviews. You need pictures. Again, you need to outbid your competition in the number of pictures. And you need citations, which are places where your company is listed, and those details, so name, phone, and address, they need to match those of your Google Business profile so that Google can verify you and can rank you in the top positions. And you need to have more citations than your competition. So that's the beauty of the Google Business profile. Now, the third section of the Google search is the organic search. And in here, it's a combination of 2 things. So it's a combination of the quality of the content, the quantity, the quality of the content, and the backlinks. So here we have the 2 competitors. And to analyze the rankings, we use a tool called Ahrefs. So in here, I have you, GrassMasters, and it's showing me that you have 26 organic keywords that you are being ranked for, and that there are 6 websites with 7 backlinks directing traffic to yours. And a backlink is a link on another website that is pointing to yours, and you want to have those backlinks in powerful sites. So in websites that are regarded by Google as authorities, because that means that Google is going to give you extra points for that. So you have to think about it like a popularity contest. If you have, or it's a person that has more likes, that is followed by popular people, then that person is gonna win the competition. It's the same with websites. If you have more backlinks in powerful sites, then you're gonna be ranked at the top. So look, so this is GrassMasters in terms of backlinks. Let's have a look at EasyGrass. EasyGrass, they have 219 referring domains with 836 backlinks. And Best Miami Turf, they have 367 with 2,400. So look, they have more than these guys, than Home EasyGrass, but these backlinks are probably more powerful than the ones that the Best Miami Turf has. So you are not only chasing more backlinks, but you are chasing the powerful ones. So there's a little bit of work to do in there to get your website at the top. Now, the second component that I want to talk about is the organic keywords. And when we look at the organic keywords, this dashboard shows me what are the keywords that your website is being ranked for. It's showing me the search volume of those keywords and in which position you are appearing for those keywords. So anything beyond the 10th position, it means that you're already on the second page of Google. And people are not going to the second page of Google. They are clicking on the links on the first page of Google. So I can see here that you are not ranking for any of the top positions of these particular keywords. And if I look at these keywords, some of them are actually have good potential. So for example, synthetic grass Miami, 100 searches per month. But you have to target those keywords. So for example, artificial turf Miami, that are buyer intent keywords. Let's have a look at what EasyGrass is doing. EasyGrass has 1,600 keywords, and they are appearing on the first and the second position for lots of them. So for example, they are on top position for artificial grass Miami, first for artificial turf Miami, easy grass Miami, synthetic lawns Miami, modern and concrete grass driveway, turf Miami, artificial grass installation Miami. So, and this is just to give you an idea of the potential of keywords that you could target so that you can include them in your front page. Because what this is telling me is that when we add up all of this search volume, it means that that particular company was in front of these many people or these many times, and that just translates into a percentage of people clicking and going to their company, then a percentage of those people actually reaching out, and then another percentage, depending on their closing rate, converting them into customers. So here the key message is more traffic equals more sales. And with that, I'm going to leave you. That's the message, and those are the tips that I wanted to share with you. If you like what you saw in this video, please feel free to arrange a one-on-one with me. I would be more than happy to have a conversation with you. The only thing I ask in return is that you give me your feedback. Thank you so much and have a nice one. Bye bye.